Welcome back everyone to another video. Now in today's video, I'll be unboxing this package right here, which I ordered from eBay. Now inside of it is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G that I bought for only $65. Now later in the video, you guys will find out why it was so cheap. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna quickly cut away into the package. Alright, let me see how I could do this. Okay, there we go. I cut it away there. Now let's open this thing up. Alright, there we go. So there it is. There's the box from the phone. And now we can just pull it out like so. I'll throw this on the ground. And there it is, Note 10 Plus 5G. Okay, I thought there was something in here. Never mind. There is nothing in there. Okay, so here's the phone. Well, here's the box for the phone. So let's open it and see what's inside. Well, obviously it's the phone. Okay, so there it is. And yes, it is cracked, as you can see, but that's, I don't know what you guys kind of expected. Of course, it's not going to be a perfect Note 10 Plus if it was that cheap. Okay, so here it is. It's the Aura Glow color, and I really like it. I've had a few Note 10 Pluses before, and I think I've only had one Aura Glow. But yeah, it looks really nice. Let's just put it aside for now. Inside of the box, we have the super fast charging brick. So that's nice. It's the Type-C to Type-C. And I think, so the AKG earphones are not in here, but that's fine, I don't really mind. We have the, I guess, Type-C to Type-C cable, and I think there's also these extras in here. What's in here? Oh yeah, so it's like these little connector things as well. And I think the USB one might be in here as well. Yeah, there it is. I don't know if you guys can really see. I don't really feel like pulling it out. Alright, let's put all of these things aside. And let's take a look at the phone. So it's only cracked here and here. I'm also pretty sure it has dead pixels on the screen itself. So let's turn it on and see. And there it is, Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. I just want to look at the back again because it looks really nice. It's a bit dirty, but that's fine. I'll just get it cleaned. Here's the S Pen. Oh yeah, you could see frame damage right there. Well, it's got a bit of a scuff there. But yeah, that doesn't really matter because if I will get the screen replaced at some point, well, the frame obviously will have to be replaced as well. Here is the S Pen as well, the blue S Pen. The S Pen is slightly scratched as well. I saw that in the pictures whenever I was ordering this, but that's fine. Okay, so here it is. Obviously not set up yet. And there's dead pixels here and here. And I think, yeah, everything apart from that works fine with this phone though, so that's completely fine. So I'm gonna quickly set this phone up and show you guys it once I set it up. Alright, so I got the phone set up, and as you can see, it is fully working. The touch screen is fully working and everything, and also surprisingly, the fingerprint scanner sort of works, even though there's like a crack going through the screen in the spot where it is located. It doesn't work all the time, I guess. Yeah, let's see. But it does work somehow. I thought it wouldn't, again, since there's a crack going straight through it. But yeah, I mean, it is fully working. And yeah, I also got all of the accessories and the box. Okay, that fell out. And I guess this is here as well. The SIM ejection tool. I guess I'll see if it's a dual SIM model or not. Probably is. I can't pull this out. Is it? I don't think it is a dual SIM model, but I don't really care since I'm not even gonna put two SIM cards in here anyway. I mean, I'm probably not even gonna put any SIM card in here since obviously I'm not gonna use this as my main phone. But yeah, I mean, it is working, and I did get it for a really good price, so I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, But anyway, I'm gonna finish the video here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.